I'm Charlie, I'm a sales and project manager at Degree C down in Hobart.
And I'm Joe Purden, Refrigeration Technician that's taken on the work of this project.
Joe has recently just completed this project at 2 Davey Street, Hobart, commonly known as the Royal Engineering Building. This building was opened in 1847, I believe, and it has been very unique to work on this project due to the heritage listing and all the work that's been involved to get this project completed. We're now at the back of the building, as you can see, where the outdoor unit is located and the pipes which go up the wall. One of the most unique things about this job was having to keep the look of the main heritage of the building and not have too much obstruction. This was also the most rewarding part of the job because out of all of the job, this is the only part of the installation that you can see apart from this and the indoor units inside.
So being a VRV, a lot of indoors to one outdoor, we've put a lot of work into bringing our pipe work down from the roof space into the downstairs levels. As you can see, we do our best to do a very neat job and keep things nice and tidy.